Onua, 95.1 FM.
Yeah, I mean, I'm doing well now. However, if I wanted to do something professional, like maybe a lawyer or something, I could have done that too. Yeah.
Next up, I saw lawyer. Growing up, you wanted to be
Yes, I wanted to.
No, didn't necessarily.
Life now.
Now, Hannah, of course, the bed, Diana.
No, I just, something else opened, another door opened for me, and it was nice. So,
Next, and acting. No?
yes.
Oh, Barrister Patricia,
Oh,
Barrister Priscilla.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. Yay! But anyways, acting looks good on you.
Thank
you look
you.
so nice. I mean, I sure say a lot of people are looking up to you to become like you, because you are one of the greatest actresses Ghana has. Say have so where the brain has and I have. So what need you? Has Ghana has. It's has. It's have. I have. Whatever. You are
okay, Matthias.
What you say?
Matthias.
You aspire to be.
Yes.
Into growing up, you wanted to be a lawyer. Into bar acting side, hono. When I looking up to be like this person. Say the sister will you movie here. That she be a actress. I want to be like her.
Oh, so many. Oh, Ghana ha.
Baby,
so many in Ghana here. I love Yvonne Okoro.
Hey, pressure.
Yes. The people no baby are wonderful actresses. Me and Madame for Salma. I think she's a wonderful actress.
Salma Mumin.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So,
congratulations to her on her new car.
I know. Yes, so nice.
Salma, congratulations. Okay. So Yvonne Okoro, Salma Mumin.
Yeah. I mean, so many other people. So long as we do kind, dear, they have so much they can teach you.
They can teach you. And see, once or twice, do you go up to them to take guidelines?
If I do find myself on set with you, I am very observant and I learn quick. Even on production, I've learned so much. There's a lady there called Pearl, theater, and she's a wonderful person. I share me so much.
To say our pet stage play say I think this is your second one.
This is the second production, but it will be my third time.
First one me share. Hey. Do you find it different? Is it different?
It is quite different. Once I entertainers see Uko stage, right? There's this adrenaline. I enjoy it so much. So, the fact that you have to remember your lines on stage, there are people looking at you. However, there's such community between the actors that ubetimia say or line class will be who because everybody is looking out for everybody. It's such a nice community. I enjoy it.
Stage play one.
Oh, mayor actress, dear. Baby,
we're dynamic, baby.
Exactly. And there's also a saying, if you really want to prove how good of an actor you are, you need to be on stage. And it's true. Yeah.
Pressure. Sweetheart, Patricia saying. Priscilla, are you also in the play?
No. She's my little sister.
Hello. Me say, I've left you out. I was bringing you in the conversation. Matthias, and I say you want to be there, right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Matthias, I get it. It's a new stage play, no? Atai.
Atai, yeah.
What is it about?
So Atai is a play that's set in Jamestown. What was Jamestown there? Typical girl community in a compound house.
Yeah, to say I am Ashtown, go from Bantama.
Listen, it's different.
It's different.
No, it can't be the same. But it's a compound house.
Okay, back to the story. I said about Azunto days. Now we cast a compound house.
But now yes, it's very important in here, Sika.
Yes.
So someone it's set in a compound house, in a typical Ghana compound house.
Okay.
Now, it should be any problem with you. You have a doctor, your Fiera and Ankasa, or your papa, and I'm a nurse. And then there's an ECG person there. We have a chef. So it's like different stories. Now, answer now will be free theater honum no beer funny dear womb because we're going to talk about a lot of social issues. So yeah. That's about time.
Oh, so.
It's happening on the 3rd of August. Saturday, yeah,
Oh, this week, yeah.
This week, yeah. And at 4 p.m. and at 8 p.m.
Sure.
Tickets near 150 cedis. Very cool. Nipa by 300 cedis. Very, very affordable.
Single 150, double 300
cedis.
And a time, no.
Time near 4 p.m. and at 8 p.m. Also, I didn't person make back when they say there would be Yebeche phones, Samsung phones from Delix Swift, a financial company. Into Omo Beche phones, phone back 4 p.m. and phone back 8 p.m. So you don't want to miss. Ubeji weni uberi now asenya achede home. Can I still talk?
Yes. Hey, talk.
So, also, they are going to be your favorite actors on stage. The people we already love who do theater. Pearl, like I mentioned,
yes.
We all love her so much. And then there's Dr. So, there's General Intatia, there's Bismarck the Joke.
Oh,
These two.
Oh, I'm loving it already. The cast.
These two together, you don't want to go there. And also, we're introducing Kweku Menu on stage for the first time. Yes.
This is going to be a memorable night.
Also, we have the beautiful actress Benedicta Gaffa.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
I know so the first time
Saturday with the
and assorted cast.
You know, we are bringing them live to you on stage. You do not want to miss Atai. It's the second time coming, so I should tell you how good it is.
Yeah, the audience love it.
Yes, and it's a family play.
No viewers discretion, no parental guide.
We talk about, people's infidelity. We talk about bribery and corruption. We talk about so much.
Now you're well equipped for your future endeavors.
Yes.
What I say, you should make a date on 3rd August. This coming Saturday. Single 150 Ghana cedis and a double 300 Ghana cedis.
And also you can buy by sending to short code *713 *33 *10 hash. Let me repeat it. *713 *33 *10 hash, so that you can buy it, so that maybe you do not come and join a queue, or maybe I'll be doing any tickets as because me suspect it's an ABC.
It's an ABC. Into home before you get to the gate. Say the buyer. Nipane embun fa also.
Exactly.
Na fe ni asha se na ujina but na gusu to ticket. You need to start from the beginning of the movie. Say the buyer be nyanti ase no. Na ye nice pa. Some time ago now I say one person be quite sorry now sorry for because encrofo eje ntade encrofo she quite sorry no.
Yeah.
So what's our dream?
Menya sorry ameko.
Unya sorry obeko. Ba unya nyabi.
Menya nyabi.
To sorry be sana wo hwehwe.
I mean somewhere where we focus on God.
Nenya tade a obehye.
And nenye nipa,
where the main focus
is God.
Yes. The main focus is the reason why we are all here.
Yeah.
And you atado bi shebaye, and you who the person is. You see, I sorry crying. What will you tell your younger self about relationship? One thing you will tell your younger self about relationship.
That whatever you're looking for, you can't find it outside. It's all in you. So you have to love yourself. Yeah.
How?
If you need acceptance, if you need love, you can't find it outside. You have to love yourself first. You see, unfortunately, if you don't love yourself, you won't be able to let someone love you. Once me who send our person will be a cry a dolphin because one can cry only.
You don't know how to love yourself.
Exactly.
You don't even understand the word love.
So look in you first
before you look outside.
Yeah.
Do you believe in taking an ex back? What's the sound? Why are reformed?
No, don't ever do that. I've done it before and I can tell you no, don't do that.
Did it work? Why did you go back for your ex?
Well, because sometimes, you know how humans, we always want the things we can have and the things we know are not good for us. So sometimes I didn't know Jai, but you think you still have feelings for the person into what about feels, and then you hope they have changed. You know they haven't. You just hope because feelings now bro Adrian so, and then you take them back. But then so me, I won't encourage it. No. Or call no, a call to ni and come back.
Onya obi or chen one that's a bro, so he will never look back. Okay. we are learning 1 or 2 and ne. He's an ex for a reason.
Yeah.
He's an ex for a reason.
He's an example of what not to do.
Ish. And then now we name one na. Oba first one and baby bia and buy and he wouldn't need a second chance to come and do it. What I say? This has been a lovely conversation. What is that one thing somebody said to you at church that made you feel that this person is not being nice? This person is not doing godly things in church.
Oh, one thing someone said to me in church. I didn't feel like how you said it. I just yeah. Yeah, I saw a person who say, you know, yeah.
Have you ever had an advice from somebody that you didn't need it? You didn't need?
Of course, baby. All the time. Yeah, the funny thing is, they haven't figured their life out. I'm quite no too for no.
Wait,
I hope my family members are not listening. But I have this auntie who is not married, who has kids, no father, who keeps pressuring me to get married. I'm like, girl.
And that for man, this
is way who me wo yes you. Into you now, sister.
Of course, sometimes advice in the baby a free but no hardness. You just have to look at the person and then
out of respect, just listen.
Just like to go for your knock and say, stay
another one. Mommy be and say yes, you know these family gatherings. Oh, whom you say Ahuofe. See a dear you say dear no baby a men same Vanessa. Oh, it means it's baby a medru no. Mommy Sam.
You said only try so.
I'm like, mommy wait for.
Oh my hair, wow, you almost show.
But many days.
I know you're picky now.
I mean, of course you have to be, Anna.
Ne, so unya kokwa so kokwa dodo.
Sir. Me who takes yes, I'm
dodo.
Person me etia, person me baby etia. Yeah.
Unya kesiye so a.
Yeah. But I feel there's a perfect someone out there.
Yes. Yes. Obi wo baby pa unya hu ne dear, but the person will spot you and then and for funny you now moka say na worry no. They might not even be invited. They will come moka mama wedding.
Ude jao.
And go for passem muntia for yen case muntia for but
mind your business.
Simple and short.
Yeah.
Simple and short. You should look at the environment. You should look at the person's mood before you give certain advice. What I say? Advice now the man. Maybe I had good advice, but at a wrong time.
Yeah.
It's not needed.
Yeah. But give me another advice. Ask me how is work doing.
Hey,
I hope say you are saving. See idea. In your mind say I are saving. That's the kind of advice I want to hear. Don't be telling me to get married.
Because I know you have to get married. You don't have to remind me. And I am trying. Yes, I'm trying. Try. And don't better me say yes, she's serious. No, bruh, me abom the heavy. Hey, almost see them more. What a woman for any to form. Many know that form. And I'm better me say. Me, bruh, mama be my. Almost say they were doing it dear. They were doing dear. Memma no beba. And you have never you move back. What's na na won e bibia hwehwe mu ntem emreni ho unyini
Hey,
unyini o say wo no babo so enya fe na wadi be 40 na about 3 years yet yenim enye yepe o yes we worry yo up to now are you aware yes we DJ Gobo who yenyom yes guru because it's true.
It's so true.
To say na mo no because say omunya ware no ye be worry but obetumi share obi kwa na oni na adwe nyepe. Have you met people like that?
Yeah.
Obe share obi oni no objectives enyepe.
No.
And go first my favorite person and I say me so me nipa na. Hey, I'm the boga say hey, I say we ni na me ye me so na go fo gire kire. Hey, we say hu o, DJ Gobo.
Houses, in fact, minimal crisis.
Up to now, are you aware? Hey, up to now, are you aware? Are you aware? Are you aware? And member no number somebody ware nye and member no they are indecisive.
Yeah, cry and person everywhere.
Hey, hey, that's not emotional. No, yes, I wonder why you say one worry.
I mean, some person worry me. I'm just me worry.
No, yes, what to me share obi no why you say we dem man worry me.
They do it all the time. Obama know upon him say you're not the one he wants to marry, but yeah.
And Master Abi, do we do that?
Well, it's possible for us to do it. It's Abi.
Sir, to say if you don't want this person to marry you.
I mean, not that you don't want him to marry you, but he's not. I mean, you can be with somebody, not nimpa say ne. You can say you really do not want to be with him.
No, why are we with them if you don't want to marry them?
I know Sunni are for.
No, just say your generation we do it.
Yale.
Yeah, you know, it's all of us. Yeah, you know, we are guilty as charged. Yeah, you know, it's true. So to me, no be all pound. We say, about critical say worry na. Worry no.
I don't know why we do that.
No.
Yeah.
I think that sometimes loneliness. People are scared to be lonely.
Exactly.
Into no bet if they find the right person, that they just leave you.
Exactly.
Or finding some petty excuse be no break up. You never understand. Until we are scared of being lonely.
Yeah.
That's why people keep getting attached to people they don't want to be with. Until, in the nutshell, are we irresponsible?
It's irresponsibility can so. And like he said, we are scared of being lonely. We don't want to face life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's scared. It's scary. We don't
want to do the inner work.
No.
So
we need to start working. We say start working and stop twerking. A certain pastor said this on the show. Many of us wish our interview has been juicy. But so unfortunately, we have to leave it here. We had my 3rd August at Tayi location. No.
National Theatre. Yeah, well, 4 p.m.
and 8 p.m. Me patrolling in a gift so.
Pachai.
Be as early as you can be. Be an early bird and enjoy.
Exactly. Yeah, stage playing. See, and yes, I was so drew.
Yeah, near Shasta Pepe. Say the bell better. And yes, starting from the middle near the idea. And to hope to see everybody there. And to dress nice. So I say, we shall celebrities. So no be pictures. On pesa obesha tadibia kehebia. And so you have to post the pictures you take into the dress nice, dress comfortably. Do you want to share? But shema honya kono. That's all we are trying to say. Ain't Patricia? Do you have anything to say?
Oh, Medasi Bebre, little sis. I love you.
I love you too. Conversations
you so
with you is so golden. I love it. I enjoy having conversations with you. God bless you.
Thank you.
You make it easy. You make it easy.
Thank you. See you.
Of course, I'll be coming.
All right.
I'll come. I'll show up.
Okay.
All right. Until she's signing off.
Bye.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.